354. What is the sum of the area and perimeter of the triangle shown below? So let's begin by finding the area. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. The base is 6. We don't know what the height is. Now, we are familiar with the 3, 4, 5 right triangle. If you multiply it by 2, you get the 6, 8, 10 right triangle. So the hypotenuse is 10, this is 6. That means that the height has to be 8. And we could confirm that with the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. B is 6. C, the hypotenuse, is 10. Let's find A, which will be the height. 6 squared is 36. 10 squared, or 10 times 10, is 100. Let's subtract both sides by 36. These will cancel. We could bring that down. 100 minus 36 is 64. The square root of 64 is 8. So we can see why this is the 6, 8, 10 triangle. So the height of the triangle is 8. So keep in mind, any of the special right triangle ratios can be multiplied. So for instance, the 5, 12, 13 right triangle, if you multiply those numbers by 2, you'll get the 10, 24, 26 triangle. If you multiply this by 3, you'll get the 15, 36, 39 right triangle. So once you know the base, you could find any multiples of those special right triangles. You just have to recognize the numbers when you see them. So now that we know the height of the triangle, we can calculate the area. So it's 1/2. The base is 6. The height is 8. Half of 6 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So the area is 24. Now let's calculate the perimeter. The perimeter is going to be the sum of all 3 sides. Therefore, it's 6 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. Now we want to find the sum of the area and the perimeter. The area is 24 and the perimeter is 24. So the sum of those two values is 48.